Whether you're already running an apparel store online and need some inspiration, or you're thinking of setting one up, it's helpful to take notes from the merchants who are crushing it with their fashion stores. Hey everyone, it's Jessica from Oberlo. If fashion and apparel is your niche, then you're going to love this video. We're looking at some of the most inspirational online fashion stores on Shopify. We're going to study the awesome marketing techniques and unbeatable product selection behind the best Shopify stores in the apparel niche. And we'll also share some numbers to prove just how well these stores are doing. All right, let's start the countdown. Number 6, Negative Underwear. Negative Underwear wants to help women feel confident in their own body. They sell minimalistic underwear without the usual frills like bows and push-up pads. Their unconventional approach to underwear has led to some unconventional success. This Shopify store's revenue grew 150% just a few years after they launched. Negative Underwear has gotten positive press from big publications like Forbes, Vogue, and the Wall Street Journal for designing functional underwear without compromising on appearance. But what Negative Underwear does really well is marketing. Every store visitor sees a pop-up announcing their monthly $100 gift card giveaway. All the visitor has to do is enter their email address for a chance to win. This giveaway is so compelling and so simple to enter that I couldn't help but pop in my own email address while working on this video. Negative Underwear publishes awesome content too. For example, their fit quiz helps customers find the perfect underwear size and styles for their body type. In sum, great marketing and great content is what makes Negative Underwear an engaging and profitable online underwear store. Number 5, UGG Monk. UGG Monk originally started as a side project for its founder, Jeff Sheldon. Today, the company has shipped tens of thousands of products to over 60 countries around the world. UGG Monk is a case study masterclass in branding. Their products range from everyday clothing to workspace-related products, and all of them feature clean graphic design. Shirts from this Shopify store have been spotted all over television and the web, and have even been in an episode of Project Runway and Cougar Town. Entrepreneurs interested in starting a print-on-demand store would do well to study UGG Monk's success. After all, with print on demand, design is one of the few things that differentiates your products from your competitors. For more information on starting a print-on-demand store, click here for our in-depth tutorial. Number 4, Tailor Stitch. Tailor Stitch launched their Shopify store in 2010, selling custom and tailored menswear. Tailor Stitch offers classic men's clothing inspired and designed in California. How cool does that sound? Tailor Stitch is great at building strong relationships with their customers. One way they do this is by soliciting user-generated content. Tailor Stitch encourages customers to share their individual stories, and over the years, customers have shared amazing stories and pictures from fly fishing trips, motorcycle crashes, hurricane cleanups, and even wedding days. Thanks in part to these marketing efforts, Tailor Stitch's revenue has tripled each year since their launch. Just 3 years after it opened for business, the company made $1.5 million in sales, and it has continued to grow ever since. And despite all of these sales, Tailor Stitch's homepage still advertises a deeply discounted special offer, 20% off a customer's first purchase in exchange for an email. It just goes to show that no store is too big or too profitable for clever, tried, and tested marketing techniques. Number 3, Mark Wen. All products in this store are designed by Mark Wen in London. The focus is on shoes, wristwatches, and backpacks. When starting out, Mark Wen advises entrepreneurs to do many things that don't scale to ensure good business. For example, Mark suggests that personally emailing the first 100 customers to say thank you will go a very long way for any business, just as it did for his Shopify store. Mark Wen attracts buyers with his stunning product photography. Check out how these images pop on the screen. This is true no matter what screen the customer is on, as these photos are optimized for both desktop and mobile devices. And again, you'll notice that despite the success of this store, Mark Wen still promotes discounts, as you can see here with the 10% off today's order button. Number 2, Rimmel. Rimmel is a British luxury watchmaker that produces beautifully engineered chronometer timepieces. Every year, Rimmel produces approximately 8,000 to 10,000 watches. In 2017, there were rumors that the company made 15 million pounds. For this Shopify store, time really is money, and lots of it. Spend a few minutes on this website. This is a watch brand that wouldn't look or feel out of place in the company of Rolex. They have beautiful videos and engaging blog content that defines the brand by association with British culture and men's sports teams. Number 1, Soyoung Inc. This line of bags for moms and their children earns 25% of its revenue from their online Shopify store. The profit margin on online sales is higher due to the higher margins, all thanks to direct sales, with no portion of revenue going to third-party retailers. It's worth studying Soyoung's marketing techniques. For example, they sell bags not just to proud mothers, but to their children too. That's a smart way of selling 2 products to every 1 adult customer. Want more inspiration? We have more great Shopify stores to share with you in episode 2. Excited? Stay tuned, because you won't want to miss them, especially if you're interested in the health and beauty market. Thanks for watching, and if you would like to see more of the best Shopify stores in 2018 and more free marketing advice, hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Until next time, learn often, market better, and sell more.